this lecture is to install, configure and start Oracle Database 11g Express Edition. Let's begin. Go to Oracle Database 11g Express Edition download website and click on Downloads. Accept license agreements. Click on Oracle Database Express Edition 11g Release 2 for Windows 64. You need to be registered member. If you are not, no worries, you can register for free. Provide your username and password and click on Sign in. Download will start. After the file is downloaded, take it from download folder and move it to C or some other directory on your computer. It's going to be zipped file. Right click on it and extract the file in same directory. Wait for the extract to finish. For me it took about 2 minutes around. It will create a subdirectory ds1. Open that subdirectory. Double click on setup. Wait for installation wizard to open. Here you go, installation wizard is opening. The extraction process has started. Wait for this to finish and then it will open the database installation wizard. It's going well. Very good. Here you go. Click on next button. Accept terms and click on next. Click on next again. Over here choose a password and enter. This will be the password for sys and system users on database. So make sure you note down this password. Whatever password you are entering here, note it down somewhere. Click on next button. Click on install. Wait for the installation to finish. For me, it took about 10 to 15 minutes. It goes through the complete process of installations, then configuration, then starting the database. It's going to take some time. Wait for the service to start. You should see this icon getting started with Oracle Database on your desktop. Double click on it. Click on Storage tab. Enter the username sys and password you gave during the installation. Click on Login. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the database and it is up and running. Your objective from this lecture is to download and start SQL Developer. Let's begin. Go to Oracle website as shown here and accept their license agreements. Pick appropriate download based on your system configuration. I got Windows 64 machine, so I am going to install this one here. Enter username and password. Pick save file. I am using Mozilla Firefox browser. Based on your browser, this step might look different. Wait for the download to finish. It will be a zip file. Copy that file from the download folder. Create a subdirectory in C or some other more stable folder on your computer and put that file over there. Unzip the file. Wait for the extract to finish. After extract is finished, you will see a SQL Developer folder. Open that folder and create a shortcut for SQL Developer. Copy that shortcut and put it on your desktop. Double click on the shortcut to launch SQL Developer. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and started SQL Developer. In next lecture, you will create connections with Oracle Express database. I will see you in next lecture.